A teleport node helps you pull the user from anywhere above into this location in the workflow. The most common use case for teleports is placing it by the end to make into an exit condition. For example, in this onboarding workflow, we're going to pull the users into this location when they become paying customers and therefore stop the workflow at any time. This helps you avoid unnecessary condition checks. However, it's not the only place where you can use the teleports. Let's imagine your workflow has a series of emails about managing photos. However, you would rather not send the other emails if the user has already started using those photos. Let's use a teleport to help address that. Place a teleport right here, and let's set a teleport condition. User matches a condition. Photos is greater than 0. So what's going to happen? Once the user uploads at least one photo, the teleport node is going to pull them into this location, and the rest of the emails are going to be skipped. Sometimes you can also use a wait until node alongside a teleport if you really need the user to upload their photos before they move forward. In this case, the teleport node will advance them to this location, and the wait until node will make sure that they don't move forward until they match that condition.